Hello friends, welcome to Postal Export Guru channel. I am Ravi Prakash Deva. Today I am going to discuss a step by step process to get import export code IEC code. This IEC code is very important for the commercial export. What is IEC code? IEC code means import export code. This is very essential documents if you want to start your import or export business, commercial import or export business. This import export code is 10-digit code which is provided by DGFT. Its validity is lifetime. It may be updated or surrendered anytime, any point of time to the DGFT. DGFT means Directorate General of Foreign Trade. You can generate it online and instantly. It will help you in many ways, like to export your item at global level, to import your item, import any item from foreign destinations, to get money from buyers for the purpose of export, and to send money for the purpose of import. For these things, this import export code is very important. What is the prerequisite of IEC? For getting IEC import export code, what are the prerequisites? So you need an email ID and mobile number. You must have a current account in any bank. If you are a sole proprietor of your business, then current account is required on your own name. But if it is a firm or private limited company, then the current account is required in the name of firm. PAN number and GSTIN. If you are the sole proprietor, then PAN number may be on your name and GSTIN also may be in your name. But if it is a firm, then the PAN number and GSTIN both should be in the name of firm. One cancelled check is required with pre-printed name. So if you are going to apply an IEC on your name as a sole proprietor, then the cancelled check must contain your name. But if you are applying import export code for a firm or a company, then the name of the firm or company is required to be printed on the cancelled check. Then Aadhaar card is required if you are the sole proprietor, and if it is a firm, it is a company, then the Aadhaar card or any other address proof ID is required for all the directors. You need sell deed or lease deed or rent agreement. current electricity bill or landline bill, partnership deed, MOU. This any one of these need to be uploaded. If you are living in a society and you want to do your business, your office is within the society, and you want to do your business from your residence which is in the society, then NOC from the society is also required. All these documents are required in a PDF form, and the PDF should not be more than 5 MB. If the office address is not on your name, then NOC from the from your parents, relative to whom the property belongs, you need to be taken. Now, for getting this IEC, you have to visit the website of Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT. If you write DGFT on Google, so it will show you Directorate General of Foreign Trade or DGFT. You click that and it will redirect you on the DGFT website. There you may click apply for IEC, or you may click here the login, which is here at the corner. On clicking that apply IEC, you will get the page like this. So first you have to click register, because first you have to click the register button, and if you are already registered, then click login. So for registration purpose, you have to click here register user as. Please select here. You have given an option what? As a importer exporter, IMC, NC, EFC, IMWG, technical authority. So you have to select importer or exporter. Then after selecting that, you have to put your first name and last name, email ID and mobile number, pin code number. If you are enter pin code, the district and state will become automatically. Then you have to enter this CAPTCHA here and click this checkbox against the point. By registering, you are agreeing to terms and conditions. After that, you have to click register button. As soon as you click the button, click register button, you will get an OTP on your registered mobile number, which you have mentioned here. You enter this OTP, and once you enter the OTP, you will get an email on the email ID which you have entered at the time of registration regarding the user ID and password. From this user ID and password, you have to again visit DGFT website and go there and click apply IEC or this login page. And when you click login page or apply IEC, then there is come this type of page. You have to click login, and when you are clicking the login, then you will get such page. So you have to enter your email ID, and first time you have to change your password. Whatever be the password you want, put the password first which you have received from DGFT, and then the new password you have to enter and confirm the new password, and after that you have to log in by the new password which you have changed. The changed password, with the changed password you have to enter on the website. After entering, you will get this type of page. You have to click IEC, and then you have to fill details of the proprietor and partner. The first point that will be asked, nature of firm. So you have to choose proprietorship if you are the sole proprietor, if you are the starter of the business. And if there is a partnership firm or there is private limited company, public limited company, then you have to select accordingly. Then full name. If you are the sole proprietor, then put your own name. But if it is a partnership or firm or private limited company, then put the name of the company. Then enter PAN number and details should be as per PAN. Means your name should be as mentioned on the PAN number. So if your company is a private limited company or a firm, then always mention the PAN number of the firm. And if you are the sole proprietor, then you can put here your PAN number and your name. The date of birth should be as per the PAN card. Then it will ask whether your business office is located in a special economic zone or not. So you have to put yes or no. You put yes if you are in SAGE, a special economic zone, and if your office is not located in a special economic zone, then put no. For the startup, for the new businessman, new customer, normally it should be no. Then system will validate your PAN after analyzing the data from the CBDT website. Then you should upload the PAN card. Okay, and after uploading the PAN card, you need to enter the GSTN detail. GSTN detail means your GSTIN, name, salutation, father's name, district, state, pin code, etc. Okay, and after entering this GSTIN, after each segment, that is after entering proprietor details and partner details, you have to click save and next button. Then you have to enter the details of your GSTIN and everything, and then you have to click and save. Then you have to enter the bank information, the current account number, name of the account holder, name of the bank, branch name, IFSC code, and one cancel check on which your name is printed. If it is a firm, then the current account required in the name of firm, and the name of firm should be printed on the cancelled checkbook. If there is a difference of name, then one certificate from bank may be there which certify that this account is in the name of so and so firm or so and so name. Then you have to put the other details. Other details means select a import. You have to select whether you require this IEC for import, export, or both. You can select as per your requirement. Then type of business, you can select what type of business you are doing, as export goods, food item, or whatever may be. It is not very important because there is nothing to do with what you are selecting here. If you are selecting some of the businesses, and you may also send for export, if you are select export and type of business you have selected sports goods, then nobody is going to stop you if you are also sending the food items. So but however, you may enter whatever your business if you want. And then once you click save and next, after entering the other details, you will get a declaration page on which various type of declaration are there. You have to click declaration that I am agreeing with all the terms and conditions, and then it will show you all the application details whatever you have filled till then, and you have to match if and each and every information which should be correct. If there is any mistake, then you can click edit and edit these details, and after checking all the correct, then you click the checkbox that all information is correct and click submit button. Once you submit the application, then you have two options to validate it through Aadhaar OTP sign or e-sign. So for e-sign, you need a e-certificate, and for Aadhaar OTP sign, you need Aadhaar number. So select Aadhaar OTP sign, because nowadays every citizen have Aadhaar, and if you are the sole proprietor, then you select Aadhaar OTP. You have to fill up the Aadhaar number, and as soon as you click send OTP, you will get an OTP on the registered mobile number linked with your Aadhaar number. Enter this OTP, and after entering this OTP, your signature which is available on your Aadhaar will come on this application form, and it is validated. It is the same as when you are filing your income tax return and your application is validated through Aadhaar OTP. And once the Aadhaar signature is happened, Aadhaar signature is verified, after that you have to do payment part, and payment can be done through UPI, net banking, debit card or credit card. You can choose as per your convenience. You have to pay only rupees 500, and on successful payment the IEC will be generated instantly, and you have to click print document, and your IEC will be printed, and you will get the IEC import export code certificate, import export code document. So friends, this is the process, step by step process, how you can get your IEC. Thanks for watching this video. Please share more so that your friends or other people may know how to get import export code. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe this video. Thank you.